Look who is there. The gang. Santana, look at the lights. Can't even see them properly.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Today is take your wife and kids to work day. No? Hi Face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? You see, I'm heading to work with my boo. We're going to work with Papa, Sarah and Ty. Say morning. Ty, you want to sleep? I was like, why you do me on my bed so early, woman? No, I'm just kidding. We're not going to work with Babe, but sorta, kinda, sorta-ish. Yes, kinda, no? Something like that. Babe is working in a city today that have one of the most beautiful beach spots that I like to go to. I've been there, I think, twice, and I love spending time there. So since it's going to be our first time going to the beach this summer, can you imagine when you live where the beach is, you don't really use it much, but when you don't live where it is, you make every use of it when you get it. But I guess the fact that we live surrounded by water, we don't really fussy about the beach too much because we know we can go whenever. So this summer, it's our first time going to the beach, so I decided that the kids and I are going to go with Papa today. While Papa is gone to the office, we are going to stay on the beach and spend the day, the entire day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the beach. So you know, mail extra, so mail pack a bunch of things, food for the day, towels, tent, umbrella, slippers, beach shoes, you name it, goodie have it. Lunch, everything. So I'm heading to the beach right now. We'll be there in about 30 minutes or so. So it's like an hour drive from home. But the other thing why I really wanted to take the kids to this beach is because my kids love playing in the sand. Who doesn't? And the beaches at home directly in Nice have stones, like big pebbles. So they don't really have sand. They don't have sand, not really. They don't have the sand to play with. But this beach is sandy, it's beautiful. So, and it's a long stretch. So we're heading there today. So have a good day. Enjoy today's beachy vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, of course. Subscribe, I know you will if it's your first time in the fandom. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Baby, say hello.
Peace.
Peace. Alright, you guys on the road. Welcome to Saint Rafael. That's the name of the city we're in. That's what I just said, no? No. A dream come true. Look at my babies playing. Sarah, Ty. Having fun? Yes. They're making sandcastle. At the beach, I think the spot that we choose, they do a lot of it's a kayaking that goes out from here, but that's fine. I mean, we can still stay here without being in others' way. There's a lot of kayaking happening, so you see a lot of small boats coming in and out. But the kids are having fun. So you pay 15 euro to go out on one of these for 1 hour. Kids have the tent to sleep when they're ready to nap, when they're ready to take a break out of the sun. We have enough food. Look at all these bags. Food galore. So I'll be here chilling on a day that I do nothing at all. Nothing. Just to watch my kids play in the sand at peace. Look at them living their best life. Hey. Yeah, look. Hi, Ty. Ty. Tyler is learning how to manage the wave with swimming in comparison to the pool. You realize it's a whole different vibe. Sarah, you can't let mermaid go.
Hey, mermaid.
I'm so happy we came early and got this spot this morning. It's a perfect spot right at the beach, right at the beachfront. I'd have to move to see the kids. They're right here and they're making friends. I don't even have to be calling to anybody, shouting to anybody. They're having the time of their life. And this area, I thought it would be fuller than this, but it's nice, just right. You're putting sun on yourself? You want me to build sun on top of you? Okay, get up now. Yeah. Yeah. You're like a mommy. Okay, get in the water. Go, get in. Come for your fruit. A little break for lunch. Having fun? Yeah, happy you came? He's playing. Okay. Sarah, lunchtime?
No.
What are you eating? What are you eating? You're eating cookie. Lunchtime, we're waiting on Papa coming to have lunch with us. Because I bring jerk chicken, I bring nuggets for the kids and sandwiches for the kids, so we have enough food. I bring eggs for my breakfast this morning, and I just ate my breakfast. You guys know that I only eat 2 meals for the day, so I'm not hungry because I just ate the egg and avocado. Babe coming, so they will come and have the chicken and bread and baguette and all that good stuff. I bought this bag, this cooler bag. It keeps cold things cold and hot things hot. So in it is full. I bought baguette at the bakery this morning. I have nuggets for the kids, 1 bowl of nuggets for the kids. I already ate my egg and avocado from this one. I have a salad in here, lettuce and arugula. Let me show you guys how I came to the beach stock. See, I have lettuce and arugula in here. And then,
water, please.
You want water? And I bring jerk chicken from what I jerked yesterday. It's still warm in this pan. Let me show you guys. So we have jerk chicken on the beach. Talk to me nice. So yeah, babe gonna come and have lunch. Babe was supposed to join us for lunch at lunchtime, 12 o'clock. But there's a problem at the office, which they close the office at 1 o'clock because there's no AC. So work finish at 1, so we'll get to go home earlier than expected. So they're just gonna join us at 1, and we'll just spend a few more hours here until the kids are ready to go home. Just entered the chat. Delaveaus has entered the chat, and we ate lunch and is sunbathing. Sunbathing?
Just the food.
Just the food?
Look who is there. The gang. Santana, look at the lights. Can't even see them properly. They're just having so much fun. Look at the little princess.
A break for the old lady to rest. Yes, that's me. I watch these babies enjoy the few days remain of summer. First beach day when the summer is ending. sure having the best time.
Hey Tai Tai! Hey Tai Tai! Coucou Sarah! She's serious in her basket. Coucou Tai Tai! Coucou Sarah! She put Sky in the other basket. Look at them. Sarah is in the basket of the donkey and Sky is in the other basket of the donkey. So for the last ride, Sarah chose the plane. Hello Sarah! And she put Sky in the plane. Oh, Sky is in the plane?
Yeah.
And Tyler in the bike. A big bike for Tyler. Vroom vroom. Sarah? Hello Sarah! Wow. Here we are about to leave that beautiful spot. One day we went on that wheel. This is where we are. So this is where the morning was spent. Here at the end, I don't know if you see that land at the end, it's the city of Saint Rafael. I don't know if you know this city, very famous one. So yeah, this is at the end there. And here is all of the beach. Full of people today. Here's the carousel. Where's the kids?
The last stop for the day. Go find Sky and you get on the slide. Ice cream and the park.
She needs to get back down.
Get down, Sarah, and go here. Come down and go. Come, let Tai Tai show you. Show her where to go. Look, you want your ice cream? You want ice cream? Let Papa give you your ice cream. Ice cream?
Juice.
Water.
Juice.
Water, please. Ice cream yummy. What a day you're having. You're still on vacation. You're still enjoying vacation? Well, you have 1 week left. Kids are still in full vacation mode. Look at them. Better enjoy it while it lasts. Miss Sarah, your 3-year vacation finish. Come next week. Okay, you guys, I saw this view, so I'm just coming to give you guys a look at what it's like. So this is Old Port Saint Rafael, and in the middle there is the town. So this is Saint Rafael. So it's kind of two cities that join together, and on this side that you're looking at is Fréjus. I'm just going to go down a little bit more so you guys can see. But yeah, this side is Fréjus, what you're looking at right now. So there we go, the beach and all the good stuff over there, and restaurants and apartments and hotels is on this side. This is absolutely gorgeous. The statue of a mother angel and child, so nice. Earlier, beside this wheel down the bottom is actually where I was. So all this side is Saint Rafael, beautiful down here. You can see the boats in the water, people enjoying the last bit of summer. out. 1, knocked out 2. Just before we reach home, they're sleeping. They couldn't wait. Well,
They would
They
have been
have
too
to be
bizarre by that time.
ah,
They just sleep. They're gonna wake up when you're gonna
oh
reach.
yeah, they're gonna wake up. At least they get a little shut eye.
20 minutes.
A little shut eye. What a day. Kala said Mama had so much fun. That alone.
Tell you that?
When I got him, when I changed his clothes, he said, Mama, I had so much fun. But here I am. You wake up. You're awake. Your water, I'm thirsty. And Sarah snoring. As long as they're happy.